everybody. Dr. Derek Alessi, author of Lose Fat Forever, The Bruno Trenga Diet, host of Live It Fit Now, and contributor for USA Today. In my hand, which is backwards, in my hand I have a box of the mouth tape that I talked about a week and a half ago or so. And the reason why I'm bringing it up is I've had a lot of questions over the last week or so from clients that were very curious about the mouth tape. This is it. This is the box. I'm imagining they sell it at most drugstores, but I just bought it online at Amazon, and I'll put the link to it down below. It's Somnifix. It's real simple. It's real easy. It's medical tape. And open it up, and they're all in individual little compartments that you just rip off. And inside here, it's just a piece of tape that you stick on your mouth, and I can even do it in a second. The times in which I do it really is right after dinner, especially as a reminder to not eat, and then also right before bed. The reason why I'm bringing this up is this is not typically used as a weight loss tool. This has been used, though, for 30 years for people in the dental field for oral health. If you tape your mouth shut while you're sleeping, you force yourself to breathe through your nose, and you don't have an open mouth, collecting bacteria, which can lead to root canals and a lot of oral health issues. So in order to stop doing that, the dental community years ago came up with this type of tape to tape your mouth and to prevent those problems, which is really good for your mouth health. And by the way, your mouth health is a good indicator of your overall health, especially when it comes to plaque buildup and plaque buildup around your vessel walls. But about a decade ago, as the story goes, the sleep community got involved with the mouth tape. And the reason why is because it makes you breathe through your nose. So when you tape your mouth shut before you go to sleep and breathe through your nose, a couple of good things happen. Number one is you increase carbon dioxide inside your body, which is great. It'll help you sleep and also stay in deep sleep longer. And the longer you're in deep sleep, the more growth hormone you release, the more your body repairs and rebuilds, and you feel rejuvenated in the morning. Number two is you're less likely to snore or have sleep apnea if you're breathing through your nose. So your oxygenation will stay more consistent, and it won't wake you up with all of these frequencies like a lot of people have, especially when they snore, because their body wakes up frequently. So you'll sleep better. I looked at both of those things, and I'm a huge fan of sleep optimization, so I think that's extremely important. But at the same time, by just taping your mouth after dinner, it's a slight reminder. It's a slight reminder. It's not fancy. It's not invasive. Yes, you could easily take it off, as you saw me with the video 2 weeks ago. I easily took it off, and you could eat, you could speak, you could do whatever you want. But literally, have dinner, brush your teeth, take your fish oil to prevent cravings, and it's good heart health. Open up a Somnifix, and it looks just like that. You separate this from the tape. It goes right on your mouth. It's that lightweight, that flexible, that soft, and it's somewhat soothing. It won't hurt your skin. It's easy to do. So hopefully today this video served you a little Q&A with mouth tape. I'm Dr. Derek Alessi, asking you to make the most of your life and live it fit.